how you can connect your Thrustmaster T300 racing wheel to your PS5 in 2025. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, take the USB cable from your T300 wheel and plug it into one of the USB ports on your PS5. Then, connect the power cable of the T300 to a power outlet. Now, turn on your PS5 console. After that, press the power button on your T300 wheel. The wheel should start spinning on its own. This means it's calibrating itself. Once it's done spinning, press the PS button on the wheel. Your PS5 will ask who is using the controller. Choose your profile, and now your T300 is connected. To make sure everything works, open a racing game like Gran Turismo 7. Try steering and pressing the pedals to see if the game responds. If everything works, you're ready to race. And that's it. That's how you can connect your Thrustmaster T300 to your PS5 in 2025.